1, 2, 3. Ready? Exercise number 67. Dear Miss Blake, in April we brought out a new series of history books. The series is for use in forms 2 to 6. Full stop. These books solve many problems for the teacher. They treat the subject in a bright, practical way, and we think you will agree that the series gives a new and better approach to the subject. Full stop. So, with your present heavy program, the books should enable you to make the greatest progress with your classes. Full stop. If you would care to inspect the books, we should be glad to dispatch copies to you. Full stop. If you would give the books a trial, we know you would be delighted with the results. Yours truly.